Alright guys, today is June 11, 2025 here in Wellington, New Zealand. So time check naman tayo, 7:08 in the morning. So i-check natin itong bagong bus kasi napaka-delicate masyado na to. Dapat ma-check to dahil may mga gas-gas na sila para hindi tayo mapagbintangan. This will expire on April 3, 2026. Registration plate number RBU81. RBU81. So, bike racks is all good. Oh, may crack na agad. This one is cracked. And, oh my goodness. Tama na agad. The tires are all good. Stickers. Hindi man lang nila mamasin lang maayos. Stickers. Ayan. So, may mga oh my goodness. These drivers are very bad. They don't really care for the bus. They just drive. All good. It's all good. Alright, so all good. Check natin maigi. And all good. Check natin yung mga upuan. And definitely a good bus. Okay. So this one is good. So till next video bus vlog. Paalam.